Hi everyone, I am the Dump Engineer. In this quick run through, we'll learn how to build a simple emotion recognition app using Python and OpenCV, all in under 3 minutes. By the end of this design, your computer should not only be able to recognize your face, but should also recognize if you're happy, sad, angry, or surprised. So let's get cracking. Step 1. Let's start by installing the libraries we need. We will need OpenCV for face detection and the facial emotion recognition FER, which is a Python library built on top of deep learning models that can identify emotions instantly. Step 2. Now let's load an image. You can either select the image locally or open the webcam feed. The FER class automatically detects faces and analyzes them for emotions using a deep learning model pre-trained on thousands of faces. Step 3. Now let's predict emotions for the detected face. This returns the top emotion like happy, sad, or angry, along with a confidence score between 0 and 1. For step 4, you may want to make your app more interactive. Let's switch to real-time mode using your webcam. First, you get your webcam, load the detector. We then send images to the detector frame by frame and draw rectangles on the image as we make the detections. Now, your webcam can detect emotions. You can now test your app with different expressions. Smile, frown, alright, raise your eyebrow. The model can recognize common emotions like happy, sad, angry, disgust, fear, surprise, and even neutral. And that's it. You built a simple but powerful emotion recognition system using OpenCV and Python, and also in under 3 minutes. So if you've enjoyed this, like this video, comment, and also subscribe for more exciting computer vision tutorials.